guys, so this video is on writing the equation of a line. So we talked about slope and y-intercept, and now we're going to put it together to form a line. So let's talk about the equation. When we have an equation of a line, it's in the format y equals mx plus b. And the number that we're going to put in place of the m is the number that represents the slope. And then as far as b goes, that is our y-intercept. Okay, so sometimes it might be written as y equals b plus mx, but it's still the same thing as far as whatever is with the x is our slope, and our b is always that thing that's by itself. Alright, so first we need to ask ourselves what is the slope and what is the y-intercept, and then we'll write the equation of a line. So let's start with the y-intercept. So in example 1, I have my y-axis here. And then I have my line here. Now where are they intersecting? They are intersecting at this coordinate. And what is that coordinate? It is in between 4 and 6. So that means my y-intercept is 5. Alright, what is the slope? So I need to pick 2 points. Alright, so I'm going to use this point, and that has an x value of 2 and a y value of 4. I'm going to pick this other point, that has an x value of 6 and a y value of 2. So now I'm going to go ahead and do my change in y. And my change in y is starting at 4 and then it's going down to 2, so that's a negative because it's going down. And my change in x is going up 4 spaces. So now we take those two things and we're going to divide. Now when I put that in my calculator, I get negative 0.5, and the decimals are totally okay. So now I have those two pieces of information, and I'm just going to go ahead and fill it out. So mx plus b, and I'm just going to substitute. For m, or our slope, we got negative 0.5. And for b, we got positive 5. So my equation is y equals negative 0.5x plus 5. Alright, let's do it from a situation. So Farah wants to run a celebration. The cost of the tent is $500 per hour plus $100 setup fee. Which one of those is the y-intercept? Now remember, y-intercept can also mean initial value or starting. Which one of those situations represents the start, or when it's happening one time? Remember, this is one time. Okay? And that's the startup fee. Okay, our slope is something that is reoccurring. It's happening over and over and over again. And in this situation, our slope is the $500 per hour. It's always the thing that says each time or per hour. So again, we go to y equals mx plus b. I keep my y and I keep my x. And I'm just replacing these two parts. So instead of m, or my slope, it's going to be 500. And my y-intercept is going to be 100. Alright, as always, if you have any questions, please type it in at the end of the video. We will be reviewing this in class on Wednesday, June 5th.